The topic which we are going to study today is marriage. I know that marriage is a very well known concept and term which all of us might be well aware of. Marriage is an institution, is universally followed almost in all parts of the world or in all societies. This institution is being followed by almost all the people. Marriage is an institution because of which the society gets its successors and the new race to continue. Marriage also helps in the continuity of the culture of a particular country or society. So, marriage can be defined as a sex relationship between two or more men with two or more women, which is confirmed by the society as well as by the law. The procreation which takes place out of marriage also get social and legal recognition. So marriage is basically, we can say, a legalized and socially confirmed relationship or a sex relationship between two partners, male and female. This is what marriage is. We can see that there was a society in earlier times, or we must have heard about the state of promiscuity in our ancient times. That was a time when people uh, used to roam like nomads and they were not entered into any kind of institution. But with time, gradually and slowly, people started living at one place permanently and they uh, started falling into the commitment of marriage. So, this institution has provided stability to the sex relations which existed in the society. The basic function of marriage is to regulate and control the sex behavior of the person in society. If people will enter into sex relations out of marriage with any other person which they find comfortable with, it will create a lot of chaos and anarchy in the society. So, marriage helps in providing stability to the society. Now, if we talk about marriage in Indian culture, we would say that marriage has always been regarded as a sacrament. The husband and wife, after marriage, have to undergo several stages in which a relationship is built between them, and together they have to perform various sanskars and rituals of their culture. If either of them is absent in those rituals or on those ceremonies, then the entire performance of those rites or religious ceremonies are not considered as complete. But slowly and gradually, with the enactment of the Hindu marriage law in our country, in India, the concept of marriage has changed from a sacrament to a social contract. Now, marriage is not regarded as a permanent institution which a person has to carry unwillingly throughout or for his entire life. If there is a problem in the marriage or between the marital couples, which comes at a point when it becomes unbearable or unavoidable for the partner to uh, stay in the relationship, then they can call off the marriage through the divorce process of divorce in the Hindu Marriage Act. So in this way, we can see that marriage is an important institution of society, and Indian culture, it also has its importance. But then marriage, if is not making the lives of the couples and the family happy, it can also break, and it can also lead to the institution of divorce.